Cedric Jaden Pinevers from grade 4, Earth. Today, I'll show you an experiment about the 3 types of soil and how they absorb and drain water. These are the materials I used: sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil. First, I put each type of soil in a separate container. Next, I placed them on a tray. Then, I poured the same amount of water into each soil. I started the timer and observed how fast the water drained and which soil absorbed more water. I observed that sandy soil drained water the fastest. Clay soil absorbed the most water and drained the slowest. Loamy soil, it drained water at a moderate speed and held enough water. The soil that drains water the fastest is sandy soil. The soil that absorbs the most water is clay soil. This happens because sandy soil has a large space between particles, while clay soil has very small spaces that hold water. In conclusion, different types of soil absorb and drain water differently. Thank you for watching. Bye! And once again, I am Cedric Jaden Pinevers.